Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. So here's what my nails are looking at like right now. They're actually worse right now as I talk to you guys because I did wear a pair of press-ons over the weekend, hence why I'm doing nail polish and not gel with dip, because these do have a layer of clear on them just to give them a little bit of strength. I should have done 2 layers. One was not enough, but they didn't break or anything. They just felt a little bit thin. But anyway, so I did wear a set over the weekend with nail polish, no gel, and I was planning on wearing these as well, but then my plans kind of changed because all my Amazon stuff came, so these I just put on with sticky tabs. But even though I had peel base on and I used glue, I still did a lot of damage to my nails again, which is why I'm trying to get away from press-ons. I love them, but when I wear them and take them off, no matter what process I do, I'm getting more and more damage. My nails are not growing. My nails are just a hot mess. So we're going to go in with this Young Nails white. We're going to do a really cute Valentine's set. I was having a little trouble finding some inspiration on my own, so I looked to Pinterest for a little bit of help, and I'm going to show you guys the picture that I used. So this was my inspiration. I have a stamping plate that's perfect for that design. I don't copy it 100% obviously because I'm using different shape nails, but also I just kind of wanted to make it my own. So the hearts are like different placement, and then I did not feel like it's almost like a cushion pattern. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it reminds me of like I don't know how to explain it. But I did not want to go in. It looks like there's gems like in between the okay, I give up. But if you look at the picture, it looks like there's gems on it. I did not want to go that route, so I ended up just using a dotting tool and some darker silver metallic-y stamping polish and just dot. And I think it turns out really, really good. I do really, really like it. But yeah, so that's what I did. I am not great at applying nail polish on tips. It's definitely different than oh my gosh, than applying them to your fingers. So either way, I've got one coat down. White is horrible in all forms, even polish, just for the record. And now I'm going to go in with my second coat. I did speed this second coat up a little bit so that you guys weren't like watching me polish nails forever. And then we get into the stamping. The second coat goes a lot better as far as like application wise and looking better. I still struggle applying it to tips, but it definitely made the nails look so much better than the first coat did. It's hard to tell in the video, but the first coat was very patchy, and I just didn't really like it. But the second coat, I was like, okay, that's much better. But this is not the proper way to apply nail polish. Hopefully in the future, and I have in the past, but I will probably do some nail polish on my nails once I get my nails back on, which I'm hopefully going to be doing today. And I will be, if all goes planned, your video on Tuesday will be of what I do today. If it goes awry, then I don't know what you're going to see. Actually, I've pretty much already decided that if what I'm trying to do, which I know I haven't told anyone yet, but you guys will see on Tuesday, hopefully. If you guys don't see it on Tuesday, I will tell you what it was. But I'm hoping what I attempt to do today goes well. If it does not, then my backup plan is to put on press-ons, but not like, I'm just going to put full cover tips on and leave them on, and just dip over them. So I will be dipping back on my nails instead of press-ons. And then I'll be leaving them on for hopefully 2 to 3 weeks, I guess, depending on how much wear I get out of them. But being that I cannot adhere them with glue and I have to use Fast Bond, which I love. And my daughter, that's what I use on her, and hers lasts 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes even more. Actually, sometimes a lot longer. Sometimes she doesn't come back to me for 5 weeks and she still has the majority of her nails on, other than the ones she picked off, because she's bad at that. So that's my plan. I may also adhere them with polygel, because I have discovered that I do not have a reaction to polygel, which I know that doesn't seem right, but I also don't have a reaction to Young Nails Protein Bond, so, which has HEMA in it. So I know it's not a HEMA allergy I have. It's something else in gel liquids, particularly gel base and gel top coat, that I'm reacting the most to. So, because I used builder gel too not long ago, and I did have a slight like reaction, but not like I do if I put gel base or gel top coat on. So polygel I can use for now. So maybe I would adhere them with polygel just to get a longer lasting, more secure mani. Also, I don't know. Maybe it'll look better, maybe it won't. Who knows? Either way, I have a backup plan in case my plan does not go well. I did do some practice on my plan for what I'm doing today, on some press-ons, just to see if I could do it. And the practice actually went really well. So I have high hopes. So this is the stamping plate I'm using, that little cushion pattern. I don't know what you call it, but to me it makes me think of one of those like cushions that has all the pretty designs in it. I hope I'm making some sense right now. I feel like I'm not. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to put this on every single nail. On some of the nails, well, most of the nails, I have to do it twice because the pattern is just too short. So I basically go in and I do the nail, and then I go back in with a second stamp and I connect it to the gaps that we're missing. So I'm going to let you guys watch. And I hope you guys enjoy this part. I did speed it up here just so that it did not take forever, because it's a lot of it's stamping on every single nail. And then after I get this pattern done, I will go in and I will stamp the hearts, and then I will go in and use the dotting tool to dot the little things. So I will be back at some point, either before I'm done or when I'm done. And yeah, enjoy. we are almost wrapped up. We're on the thumb. Oh, this is a lot of stamping. Like, I don't think I've done stamping on every single nail before, or at least not on video, but it is a lot. So thank you for, if you made it through this long, thank you for sticking around. I did want to take a quick second and thank everyone for the congratulations on my last video where I announced that I got engaged. I super appreciate that. Everyone has been so sweet and so supportive, and I'm so excited. This one didn't go quite as wide, so I was just kind of filling in the gap on the side and then the top and the bottom like all the rest, and we're about to get into the hearts. And I was on the struggle bus with this, so I'm just trying to grab little individual hearts and kind of place them where I want them, and nope, that did not work very well. There was like a gap in the top of the heart for some reason, still a gap. And then I decided to double stamp, and that didn't work. So I cleaned the whole stamping plate off, and then I go in with this one, and I think this is the one that finally was like, okay, I got a heart. Yes, I got a heart. So I'm going to stamp that one on the pinky nail. And I'm just kind of randomly placing them. There's no, like, I'm not following the picture, mostly because well, I try to make them my own a little bit, but also the biggest reason is because I'm recording on my phone, so I can't go look at the picture unless I want to edit or leave the video, and then I have multiple videos to edit, which isn't really that hard. At the end of the day, it doesn't make a huge difference, but it's more work on this side of it, like to leave the video, go look at the picture, then put the video back on, and then because I listen to music while I'm recording, then it's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. And I just don't feel like dealing with it. So then it actually works out well because, like I said, I like to make them my own. The only difference is the picture looks so like pristine and perfect, and then mine look like I just slapped them together. Of course, I'm my own worst critic, but it worked out just fine. So I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this, and then I will be back as soon as it's over. Oh, I forgot. I only show 2 of these nails, but I did them to them all. And then here's the final look. So to protect my stamp, and I've said this in any video I've done stamps in very recently, I go in with this foil glue. It's just a foil glue. It's not gel. It's nothing like that. It's just regular glue. This works better than a smudge-free top coat, in my opinion. It's fabulous. So I do this, and then I put a nail polish top coat over it, and I let them dry. Like literally I didn't put them on for like 3 days. So they were nice and dry by the time I put them on. And then I just put them on with sticky tabs, which unfortunately you can kind of tell, which bothers me. This right hand turned out a lot better, but it is what it is. The pictures turned out cute. I liked them. The right hand is Mooncat Supervillain, I believe. And I'm obsessed with all of Mooncat tips. See, it's so pretty. Anyway. And then here we are. This is what we got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hopefully next week we'll be back. No matter what, I will be back to dipping on my own hands. So hopefully that you guys are looking forward to that, because I am. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.